a teaspoon of salt. Then we are gonna adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then half a teaspoon of chili powder or to taste. Garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon. Tandoori masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Half lemon syrup. 2 tablespoon plain yogurt. And around 3 tablespoon oil. Give it a good mix with all these spices that we have here. And when I cut the chicken, I did make sure that I cut on the chicken so that all spices goes inside. So like this cut you see here that I made cut so that the spices go inside. Very well mixed together. Marination is ready, so we need to keep it for at least 4 hours. And if you can keep it for overnight, the result will get really better. The taste is gonna be more because all these spices that needs to go inside will be really juicy, yummy, and tender, well cooked. So just one tip here: if you keep it in the refrigerator for overnight, you have to take it out at least 2 hours before you are putting it into the oven so that it's gonna be really like normal temperature, not like freezing, and then it's gonna be really cook well. So it's ready to be going to the refrigerator if you want to keep it for overnight, or if you just want to cook it for the same day, then you don't need to put it into the fridge. You can just leave it is for 4 hours and it's good to be grilled. So this tandoori chicken, we also called it, like in my country, we called it grilled chicken, we called it tandoori chicken, and it's really yummy and very authentic recipe in our country. So I'm just wrapping it for to put it into freezer for overnight because I'm gonna have it tomorrow morning. But we'll come back to show you the grill part. Welcome back. So the tandoori chicken that I marinated last night is ready to be going into the kitchen, and then I'm gonna broil it or grill it because I find that if you bake it, it's gonna be really hard, but if you broil it, the taste is better. Okay, so I'm gonna place this chicken into a tray, and I used an aluminum foil paper here just to cover the surface so that the burn, so that I can avoid any burn on the tray. So place the chicken on the tray as you like and spread it equally so that it's cooked from all sides and really well cooked, tastes better, and you will love it. I can tell you. So if you, one more tips here, if you put the chicken into the fridge, then sometimes it gets really dry. So if you want, you can put a little bit of oil on top of. So in my oven, you see here that broil, which is like grill. So I'm gonna select broil, And then you see that here 288 degrees Celsius here, it's by default. So which is equivalent to 550 degree in Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna say start here and then let it preheat for like 10 to 15 minutes around that, depending on your oven. And also some oven has only like high or low. So first you have to select high for always because it has to cook in high temperature at the beginning, and then if you feel like it's too much, then you can lower the temperature. All right, so the oven is preheated already. It's ready to go into the oven, and I always make sure that I wear gloves to avoid any incident or to avoid any burn. It's important. Alrighty, so let's put it in here. I'm putting it on the top shelf uh, because for the first 10-15 minutes it has to be cooked really in very hot temperature to cook it well, and then I will gonna come back after 15 minutes. At the time I will flip the other side to be cooked. All right, so it's time to flip the other side. One side is already cooked pretty good. Now what we need to do, we need to turn into the other side. There we go. You see that this side cooked really well. You see the color and the texture of the chicken. Alrighty, it's you can see that it's all good, cooked really well, and you're ready